Welcome to another video of the Bikini walking tour. We are here on Bomb Island, also known as Kudarikilu.
This video is dedicated to the Bikini beach walk. It's a small but super cozy bikini beach, and you can see there are only 2 lounging chairs right now, but the island is really small and it does not have even that many guest houses, so the guest house will bring the beach chair for you and set it up once you're ready to go there. The beach is protected by 2 jetties, so it makes it 2 small coves, which is really good because it is protected, and when you go there during the monsoon season, it will cut the waves.
This beach is it's like I said, it's very small. It's just a small cove. As you can see, it goes a little bit further down, but not too much. So again, not one of the biggest beaches, but you do have a lot of islands that are actually like that in the Maldives. Very small bikini beach,
but also very intimate. So again, when we were probably the only guests on the island. Maybe there was one more couple, if max. So we were literally the only ones on this beach. So depending on when you're going, you might be able to enjoy the beach all by yourself.
So again, if tiny beaches are not your thing, well, we've got you covered. We have created the perfect local island picker for you.
It's a really cool tool where you'll be able to narrow down from 30 local islands by different parameters, by the atoll, different types of transfers, what kind of jungle, small, medium, large, water sports, different tours and activities, sandbanks, and the size of the bikini beach, just like that. And this tool will help you narrow down the island to help you find the perfect island for you. Do you see that tiny little stingray?
Yeah, you would think that's like dirt or a rock. It's not a rock. It's actually a stingray.
It's adorable. Yeah, so you will find that tool in the description below, and if you're having problems choosing the island, that tool will help you a lot. After island hopping in the Maldives for 6 months, we have visited over 30 local islands and have created over 100 YouTube videos. We know that's a lot to sift through, so we built one complete Maldives travel guide: how to choose the right local island, what to know about private island resorts, how to book affordable stays, and our exclusive hotel discounts, all in one place. Download it now, link below.
So there's also like baby sharks that'll come into this cove. They're really, really, really tiny. As we can see, we get a little closer look. Look how fast it goes. So again, if some of you are wondering like, oh, I wouldn't go in that water. Well, if you can see, I just stepped a few steps into the water and they go away. And that's the same thing with the baby sharks. As you can see, the moment you get not even close to them, they will just kind of take off. So they're not interested in us at all. So
and this is the series of 30 local Maldives islands, and we are creating the Bikini beach walking tour, not for all the islands but for the most, and you will find the playlist in the description below. But if you need more help on planning your Maldives trip, the planning strategies, money saving hacks and tips, how to pick the proper island with lots of different explanation and description, we created the complete Maldives budget travel guide for local islands and budget island resorts. It is over 300 pages, and it also comes with exclusive partner discounts for local islands, and you will also find it in the description below.
All right, so we're going to be taking you up in the air with the drone. We're going to show you what this bikini beach looks like, as we're showing you a little bit of baby sharks there in the water. We're going to show you what this island looks like from above. Thank you so much for watching the video.
And we'll see you
in
the
next one.